We are star. Real star. Hype. We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
So how much people are shooting today?
5.
5 people. And after this shot board, how much location have we gone already for the day?
7 locations, sorry. This is the last one.
See.
Sir, my boyfriend's calling. Can I take the call?
I'm gonna tell you something. When you're working on a job like this, you understand? You decide if you want a boyfriend or you want a job. So here what you do. Take the call and leave the job. Or you don't take the call and you keep the job.
Is the lunch ready?
The lunch ready long time.
Okay.
You're lucky, you know. Because I have to go down by my house to go look for my mother. Where you live from the time? You ever... Come, take this from me. And the butterfish is a hype, you see? This practice for you.
Don't give mommy any trouble here. That'll soon come. Maka must be kissing the baby goodbye.
Yeah, but the baby not born yet.
Then I can still kiss the baby, my youth. The man becoming a father, you know. See that too? Come in, best. Best.
Baby father. Father Maka.
Tell everything ready?
Everything ready, grab.
All right, give me them fast. I want to move because we're kind of run late.
Send me shirt and grab.
Yeah, man. All right. Get the next
Good.
set ready.
Yes, grab.
Yeah.
Grabsy! Phone! Your phone and your keys.
Oh, thank you.
You have
very
a
much.
missed call.
Have a missed call. Okay, thank you. All right. Bye-bye. Later. Yeah. Miss call again.
All right, the camera's ready. Worked on it all night last night.
So everything good to go. Colors, balance, and everything, right?
Perfect.
Alright, so what are the costumes? Costume! My youth I eat bun and cheese for me set. And that me I pay for. My me I have to make sure say you no spill out no food for the people them clothes. Yo! Who wanna get them from? Who hire them people here?
That's true. That's true.
Come on, boss. Let's make sure one second. So this look alright.
Yeah.
Look like the same thing. Yeah, man. Just make him take them and then we deal with it. See?
Yeah, man.
And I'm still a eat.
How was it? it?
It was wonderful. It was hold on, no, Beatrice, hold on. What kind of job do you have so you can buy a mansion like this?
Mama, you just come. Let's go and get something to drink.
You must
Come.
get a whole heap of government contract.
You better careful then or come back for the sun.
Oh, God.
Alright, cool. Well, make sure so the choreography stay in sync, just so everything, the continuity there. See? Come on, the thing just choppy more, everything for and start out. So you good, right? Alright, everybody, we're gonna do it. We're gonna go live. Let me get the lights. Bring up the lights. Alright, bring in the slate. Alright, stand by. Quiet on the set. Yo. Madam, I want to get serious on the line. Am I ready? See? Ready. 1, 3. Alright. Low speed. Hi!
No problem, a Jamaican talk. If you get a couple billion now we on a target. You will body what you would do if you get this money. It's a bad house, I can't. Girls, they're only but that's a if I problem, baby, I went down. If you get lucky, you'll find out how to dance on. Me crew, we better than. And me crew, say we better than. And me crew, say we better than.
Everybody, give it up. That's a wrap. It's a wrap. Clap it up. Clap it up.
Yo, man. What a good video shoot.
I would like to call this meeting here to order. Okay. This is such a wonderful turnout here this evening. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And I would like to welcome all of our new residents. So if it's the first time that you've been here today or ever, could you please identify yourself?
Martin, now stand up. It's coming like church.
It's very important for our neighbors to know each other. Yes. And that is for two main reasons. Number one, it's very good for the morale of the community. And number two, most of our residents are licensed firearm owners and we wouldn't want to shoot the wrong person, would we?
Hello. Hi.
Oh, yes, everyone. This here, lady here, is my new neighbor. Beatrice, I'm sorry, what was your surname again, last name?
Beatrice Caldora.
Well, on behalf of the Cherry Gardens Neighborhood Watch Committee, we would like to give you an official welcome. There are many rules and regulations about noise and pets and other incidentals that might affect the harmony of the neighborhood. Okay, what's your name again?
Beatrice. Be in Beatrice. Like the brown goat in my backyard. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. Tell me something. You not come here to discuss the crime situation or for fast in a people business.
If you're a farmer, you should stay in the bush. This is a residential neighborhood and not a farming community. You butu.
Like your mama.
So many struggles over the past few years. Finally, the time is here.
What, the baby?
What?
Maka baby born already?
Yes. I'm want you to be the godfather.
Me? Godfather? Alright. Only if you are the father, I'll be the godfather. But if I ever find out that Grubsy is the daddy, I have nothing to do with that child.
Yo, Susan better know how we steal our bill all that jacket then.
Hold up. I don't want you guys to get me mixed up in our bangarang, you know, unless it involves music. See? Huh.
So in that case, we could write a song about the baby then.
Aye. You're my cousin, you know. Don't do me that.
Grabsy, we went to the embassy in the morning, right?
Yes.
Run the checklist.
Okay, I have the visa thing locked. Okay? Photograph.
Check.
Application.
Check.
You don't have no book.
Check.
So you guys, just be careful when you sleep tonight. Right? And you, Maka, if you have to go to the hospital, please remember to take your passport with you. Because the appointment is like 7 a.m. See me?
On a more serious note still. Oh, stop laughing, man. On a more serious note. I personally would like to say that we've come a long way. Yeah? And although Grabsy make the journey even longer, he is still here with us now. And he is one of the main reasons why we're going to New York next week. So, I like to say on behalf of myself, big up yourself, Grabsy.
Respect. Respect. Yeah.
Thanks, yeah?
Lion paw. Respect, yeah, man.
Sure. But you owe me a little small change still, you know. But we can talk about that when we reach New York.
You again?
Them time then.
Yo, man, roll it.
Alright, do this. Yeah. Yes.
We are stars. Real stars.
Official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We're there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, get the link here. You understand? This is the official people, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we're there, I don't know. You know, wait for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?